Welcome all to ME476 Material Handling and Facilities Planning, Module 4. The course is intended for the APJ Abdul Kalam Technological University Mechanical Engineering students of 8th semester. I am Jithin K. Francis, Assistant Professor from the Department of Mechanical Engineering at Rajagiri School of Engineering and Technology. In today's lecture, from the Module 4, we will be starting a new topic called Material Handling. So the contents discussed in the upcoming lectures will be on material handling systems, material handling principles, then classifications of different material handling equipments, then relationship of material handling to the plant layout. Now, let us define what is material handling. Material handling embraces all of the basic operations involved in movement of bulk, packaged, and individual products in semi-solid or solid state by means of machinery and within the limits of planes of the business. This is a definition given by the Material Handling Institute. Now, material handling can also be defined as the function dealing with the preparation, placing, and positioning of materials to facilitate their movement or storage. Where does material handling occur? It can happen in a warehouse, it can happen in a production house, it can happen in a service center. So wherever material has to move from one station to another station, material handling happens. In this course, we are mainly discussing about the material movement between the two production centers. But the real-time material handling occurs not only within the space of business but also to the customer, and from the customer to the back to the factory. Total supply chain management. But in material handling course, we mainly deal about the material that is moved from one workstation to another workstation. The main objective of a material handling system is to reduce the unit material handling cost. So how this objective can be achieved? We can achieve through a few of the steps, that is, handle the material in batch lot, then minimize the handling time, replace the handling equipments as appropriate. How this is possible? Suppose you have to transport some particular material on a regular basis. Instead of physical handling, you can select a suitable material handling equipment to replace that. The next main objective is to reduce the production time. How we can reduce the production time or the cycle time of production system? We can reduce or eliminate the delays in the machine operations. This is possible by reaching the right quantity of materials, right tools at the right time. Then, if you reduce some production time, definitely it can contribute towards the reduction of overhead. So while using a material handling equipment, the non-productive labor can be made to the productive way. It can also prevent the damage of materials if you use a good coordinated and well coordinated material handling systems. Now, the floor space is a main condition or a criteria for running any business, and we know that our land resources are not going to multiply anymore. So we have to have the effective utilization of the floor space. So using a suitable material handling equipment, we can conserve a huge amount of floor space. Now, using the material handling equipments can prevent accidents which happens in the industrial scenario and which are highly dangerous. So using a good equipment, it can prevent a lot of industrial accidents which can feel a safety feeling among the workers, and ultimately by using a good material handling system, it improves the employee morale by maintaining a good relationship between the employee and the workplace.